So, do you have foggy headlights? We have the remedy for it. There's a lot of kind of gimmicky things on the market that you wipe something on, it looks good for a second, it kind of fades back out. Those are never going to do the trick for you. So we actually need to get that failed clear coat off the headlight. That's why it's going yellow and looking bad on there. We're going to do a multi-stage wet sand to get that failing clear coat off there. Then we need to do a little bit of correction to get our sanding marks out. And then we're going to polish it to make a really crisp and clean, new looking headlight. And then we're going to lock that in with the ceramic coating on that lens. We can also up it to a paint protection film or clear bra, if you will, to really lock in that headlight restoral for a few bucks more if you're interested. But give us a call if you have any questions, and we'd love to help you gain some clarity and visibility and take some years off your car with a headlight restoral.